Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade dog treats. For this recipe, you'll need whole wheat flour, pumpkin, peanut butter, and 1 egg. First, grab a bowl and add a half a cup of the pumpkin. For the peanut butter, I measure out 1/6 cup by taking a 1/3 measuring cup and filling it halfway full. Add your 1 egg, and then you're going to stir these 3 ingredients until it's smooth and combined. There should be no lumps left in the batter once it's fully mixed. It should resemble a hummus texture. For the last ingredient, you're going to want to add 1 cup of whole wheat flour and mix this together until it forms a stiff ball. Next, grab a mat. I'm using a silicone mat that I got off Amazon, but you can use any mat or flat surface. And I'm just dusting it with about an 1/8 cup of flour so that the dough does not stick to the mat. I'm also dusting the top of my dough with flour so that the rolling pin does not stick. Grab a rolling pin and dust it lightly with flour. You want to dust everything that you're using with flour so nothing sticks. Then you're going to want to roll it a 1/4 inch thick. Next, grab a cookie cutter. I'm using this cute dog bone cookie cutter, but you can use any shape you like, and press however many you can get out of this dough and then place them on a baking sheet. If you're using this 2-inch dog bone cookie cutter, it makes about 30 servings. Once they're all placed on your baking mat, bake on 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So here they are after 20 minutes of baking. If you like them crunchier, you can go longer. Just let them go for about an extra 10 minutes. So here are my dogs tasting the treats for the first time. As you can see, they absolutely love them. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and also in the comment section let me know what videos you would like to see next.